Welcome to Linux Help. In this today's session, we are going to see how to install Prometheus on Linux Mint 20.2. Prometheus is a free software application used for monitoring and alerting events as well as recording real-time metrics into a time series database that is built using an HTTP pull model with flexible queries and real-time alerts. First, I'm going to check the OS version by using the following command. I'm using Linux Mint 20.2 version. Next, I'm going to download Prometheus by using wget command. Before that, we need to download the download link. For that, we need to search prometheus.io. Here, click download. In operating system, we need to select Linux. Here, I'm going to copy this link address. We need to copy this one. And now I'm going to paste here by using wget command and click enter. And Prometheus version 2.33 has been downloaded. I'm going to check whether it is downloaded or not. Next, I'm going to extract the downloaded file by using the following command. Qtab. I'm going to check whether it is extracted or not by using the list command. The file has been extracted. Now I'm going to get into the Prometheus directory. Next, I'm going to list the file. Here we can see the prometheus.yaml file. Now I'm going to open that file by using the cat command. Here we can see all the configurations. You can see my global configuration to scrap interval. It is defaultly 15 seconds. We can see the alert manager configuration for server alerts. This is default. We can see 9090. This is the default port number of Prometheus. Next, I'm going to list. Now I'm going to run the Prometheus by using the following command. It is running. Now click on another tab and give the IP address. And default port number. And click enter. Here we can see the welcome page of Prometheus. Here we can add a panel or graph. If we can stop this running configuration, means it will stop. I'm reloading this page. See here, the site can be reached. So we want to do the permanent configuration. We can see in the following steps. Next, I'm going to list. Now I'm going to copy these files to the user local bin location by using the following command. Local bin Prometheus. The file successfully copied. Now get into the directory cd slash user local. Now I'm going to list the file. Now you can see those files are copied in this spot. Next I'm going to do the Prometheus.service configuration by using the following command. For that we need to go to the default service path. The path is /etc systemd system. In that we need to create Prometheus.service. Services. Here I'm going to copy and paste this configuration. This is the default path of the configuration file and the YAML file. After the configuration is pasted, I'm going to save, give control 0, click enter and control X for exit. After that, I'm going to restart the Prometheus service by using the following command. Now I'm going to restart the Prometheus service by using the following command. After restarting, I'm going to reload this page. Now we can permanently configure the Prometheus on Linux Mint. This is the welcome page of Prometheus monitoring tool. With this, the process of installing Prometheus on Linux Mint 20.2 has comes to an end.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.